Alright guys, welcome back. So I have a pretty exciting video about this package. It's a Joby tripod. Let's get into the unboxing after this. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. On this channel I do a lot of honest reviews and detailed unboxings just like this one. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content. As well as if you're on Instagram, make sure you follow me on there as well. So let's get into the unboxing. Alright guys, here it is. Here is a box from Amazon that I got for that Joby tripod. So on Amazon.ca, this is listed for $159.99. I'll leave everything down below. On the US website, it's for $110, so it's a little bit cheaper on the US website. So let's crack this open. So right now I'm actually shooting with my iPhone X, and I know this is a little bit of an overkill, but I'm actually going to be getting the Sony a7 III for photography as well as the YouTube channel, and that's the reason why I picked up this tripod. So the video that I'm recording right now is actually on a different tripod, but I do travel a lot. For that reason, I want to carry something like this, which is much easier to carry and doesn't weigh too much. So just gonna crack this open. Now you could get the extended warranty that comes through Amazon. I don't think you really need it. Tripods rarely go bad. My credit card offers an extended warranty, so just save yourself the 20 bucks. And anyways, so here it is, the Gorillapod, Joby's Gorillapod 5K kit. Okay, so the difference between the kit and the normal one, it's not gonna have this thing right here, which you can place for your cameras. So this is able to carry and hold up to 11 pounds of camera. Now I know that the a7R III is a mirrorless camera, but once you add mirrorless camera with approximately, I think 4 pounds is the weight, but once you add an alpha lens to it, it goes up to 8, 9, sometimes even 10 pounds of weight. So for that particular reason, I chose this one. Now the good thing about this one is I think this is one of the best tripods for vlogging, and for this reason exactly. Like, you can hold it out, put your camera on. On top of that, you can mount your headphones and your microphones, as well as you're able to attach this Gorillapod to any branches, poles, and so on and so forth. And I'm pretty sure this is magnetic as well. So Swiss compatible connectors, and then the max pound is 11 pounds. Okay. Now a couple of things about the Joby tripod. It's these are aluminum sockets. They're flexible, so you can twist them however you like, as well as they have rubberized ring and foot grip. So here's some examples of the tripod in action. You can put into like different places that a typical tripod won't be able to stand, particularly on rocks and stuff, as well as on poles. And you can even use this as a flash photography accessory. So I'm going to crank this open up here. So let me know in the comment section down below what kind of camera you're using on a regular basis, and are you recording any videos to it? And if you are a photographer and you have an Instagram, leave it down below and I'll make sure to check it out. So inside you get your information kit, okay, and then a little plastic thing right here, and here you have the Joby tripod, and with the kit at the top, so you can place your camera on top. So you get this little X camera attachment, so you attach this underneath your camera, screw this on. You can either use a key or just grab this from the top, and then you can twist it or loosen it up onto your camera. And then here is the tripod itself, so you can place this anywhere you like. These arms extend out, as well as you can do changes like that. Okay, so with this Gorillapod 5K kit, you get the following things. You get the tripod, as well as the attachment for your camera. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel down below. As always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.